Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Now we're going to be doing word study. You're going to trace along with me and say the sound. Okay? Ready? Put your fingers up. C, cat, k. A, apple, a. Open syllable, a. M, mask, m. G, gate, g. D, dog, d. T, tent, t. S, sun, s. F, fan, f. Q, queen, qu. No English word ends in Q. It is always followed by a U. N, nest, n. L, lock, l. B, ball, b. I, igloo, I. Open syllable, I. H, hat, h. J, jet, j. No English word ends in J. K, key, k. O, octopus, ah. Open syllable, O. P, pot, p. U, umbrella, open syllable, U. W, web, w. Z, zebra, z. X, fox. Y, yo-yo, y. R, rat, r. V, van, v. No English word ends in V. It is always followed by E. E, egg, eh. Open syllable, E. F, L, S, Z, double, at the end of a one-syllable word after a short vowel. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, at the end of a short word after a short vowel. CH, chair, ch. WH, whistle, w. TCH, match, ch, at the end of a short word after a short vowel. A, consonant, magic, E. Ape, A. What does the E do to the A? Make it say its name. The name is A. The sound is A. I, consonant, magic, E. Pine, I. What does the E do to the I? Make it say its name. And the name is I. And the sound is I. O, consonant, magic, E. Home, O. What does the E do to the O? Make it say its name. And the name is O. And the sound is O. U, consonant, magic, E. Mule, U. What does E do to the U? Make it say its name. And the name is U. And the sound is U or oo. E, consonant, magic, E. Eve, E. What does E do to the E? Make it say its name. And the name is E. And the sound is E. Okay. E, feet, E. Position, middle of the word. OA, boat, O. Position, middle of the word. AI, rain, A. Position, middle of the word. AY, play, A. Position, at the end of the word. Okay, so last Friday you guys learned about open and closed syllable. So we're going to do right now together. You don't have to write this down. We're just going to do it together. And we're going to see if it's an open syllable or a closed syllable. Now remember, open syllable ends in a vowel and a closed syllable ends in a consonant. So we're going to look at it and see if it needs this symbol or this symbol. Okay, and then we're going to tap it out together. So I'm looking at the end. Always find the vowel. And what do you see? I see ends in E. So if it ends in a vowel, that means it's an open syllable. So it is long. It makes me say its name. So let's get our fingers ready to tap it out. E. Me. Very good. Next one. What's my vowel here? Oh, right there. E. Oh, it ends in an E, so that means it's an open syllable. So it makes it say its name. So I'm going to move this symbol and let's tap this out. SH makes sh, so sh. E. She. Very good. The next one. Uh-oh, let's see what's going on here. Oh, it ends in a consonant. Oh, if it ends in a consonant, this makes this vowel short. So we're going to move this symbol and make it the short vowel. Let's tap it out. What short I make? I, igloo, eh. So, it. Good. Now let's look at this word. Oh, I see it ends in a consonant. So this consonant tells this vowel, I am short. So I'm going to move this symbol. Let's tap it out. J, ah, ja, job, job. Very good. Next one, let's look at the ending. Oh, I see it ends in a vowel, so it makes it say its name. So let's move this symbol. So let's tap it out. B, E, B. Very good. Next one. I see it ends in a consonant. So this is a closed syllable. So if it's a closed syllable, it is short, the vowel. So let's tap it out. Y, eh, yeah, yes. Yes, yes, very good, very good. So let's do the next one. I see it ends in a vowel. So if it ends in a vowel, it is an open syllable. So you're going to move this symbol, an I. Okay, let's tap this out. Hi, 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 how are you? And the last one, let's look at the ending. I see it is a consonant, so it's a closed syllable. So the vowel is short. So let's tap this one more time. Let's tap this last word. Ready? Ooh, ah, la, lot, lot. Very good. So let's read these words one more time. E, me. Sh, e, she. It. J, ah, ja, job, job. B, e, be. Y, yeah, yes, yes. Hi, hi. Ooh, ah, la, lot. It's very important that you know the difference between open and closed because the next lesson you really need to understand it. Okay? All right, let's move along to sight words. All right, so you're going to put your fingers up and you're going to trace the word with me. The first one is children. Say the word children. Fingers up. Okay, children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Again, children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Now do it with your eyes closed and trace along. Children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. The children went to school together. Means more than one child. The next word, walk. Fingers up, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Again, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Eyes closed, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. You must walk in the hallway. Next word is carry. Everybody say the word carry. All right, fingers up. Carry. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Again, carry. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Now eyes closed. Carry. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. The men need to carry the big box up the stairs. Carry means like to pick it up. Carrying it up the stairs. The last word is once. Fingers up. Once. O-N-C-E. Once. Again, once. O-N-C-E. Once. Eyes closed. Once. O-N-C-E. Once. Once upon a time, there was a princess named Elsa. Once. Okay. Not the last one. This is the last one. The last word is second. Fingers up. Say the word second. Okay. S-E-C-O-N-D. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Again, second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Eyes closed. Second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Next year, we will be in second grade. All right, now for your activity, you're going to write these words 5 times each, and then you're going to take a picture and post it on Class Dojo for your teacher to see. Okay, go ahead.